This tool is great for preparing avocados because it splits, pits, and slices safely and simply. Its wide center grip makes it comfortable to hold. A plastic blade easily cuts through the skin and fruit of the avocado, but is not sharp to the touch. The center pitting tool lets you remove the pit with a simple twist. The hole in the back makes it easy to pop it out. To make perfectly even slices, just slide the round end through the fruit, beginning at the widest part of the avocado.
The Herbsicle Frozen Herb Keeper from Chef'n is a clever solution for freezing and preserving fresh summer herbs for use all year long. To use, twist off the handle of the Herbsicle and fill with the green leafy part of the herbs. You can see the Herbsicle holds almost an entire bunch of herbs. Now twist to replace the handle and make sure the herbs are tightly packed for best results. Make sure you label the handle. You don't want to end up with a minty spaghetti sauce. Now place the Herbsicle in the freezer. When you're ready to use your herbs, grab the Herbsicle from the freezer and twist off the bottom. Then twist the handle to reveal the frozen herbs. You can use a knife to cut a disc of herb off for soups or sauces, or grate directly into foods.